Hello everyone. Today I am Uveshwara. Today we are discussing about that the class 11 physics chapter number 2 unit and measurement. Okay. In this lectures we will discussing about that the exercise sorry illustration of the textbooks. Okay, so in this lecture we will discussing about that the illustrations. In the next lecture also we will discussing about that the illustration. Okay, after that we will go the our topic significant number. So see, in this lecture we will discussing about the example number 1 2.1. Calculate the angle of 1 degree A. Okay, and the B is minute of arc or arc mean, and the C is that the second of arc or arc second in a radians. Okay, we need to determine in the radians how much values we will get. We need to determine. Okay, see here 360 is equals to 2 pi, and the radian is equal 1 degree is equals to 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian, and the 1 degree is equals to 16 minutes. So here first of all we have 360 degree is equals to 2 pi. See, we have 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian, and 1 degree is equals to, so 1 degree is equals to pi by 180. Okay, pi by 180 radian. So it will give us that if we are dividing the 3.14 or 22 by 7 divided by the 180, it will give us that the 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. Okay, and the second, our second is that 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute, 1 degree is equals to 60 minute is equals to 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 2. So we need to require, if we need to determine the how much value of 1 minute, so we need to determine divide by these things, divide by the 60. Okay, these things divide by the 60. This thing is divided by the 60. So it will give us the 2.908 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian, approximately 2.91 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Okay, now we need to determine the how much value of 1 second in a radian. So for that 1 second is equals to 60 minute. 1 minute, sorry, it's mistake. 1 minute is equals to, 1 minute is equals to 60 second. So see here dash show first one day as a zero, or that look like a zero, so it is a symbol of degree, 1 degree. Here dash, it one dash it will be denominated as a minute. Okay, and see here 2 dash, the 2 dash is the, it is the denomination denominated by that the seconds. 2 dash will give us that the second. So here see 1 second is equals to, so 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds, and the 60 second is equals to 2.908 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. So if we need to determine the 1 second value of 1 second, we need to divide by this these things, divide by the 60. So it will give us that the 4.847 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Approximately value is that 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6. Understood or not? Okay, if you are understood, then we are discussing about the our another example, second example. See, a man wishes to estimate the distance of nearby tower from him. He stands at a point A in front of the tower tower C, and the stop a very distant object O in line with AC. Hence, he then to walk perpendicular to AC up to B, distance of 100 meters, and look at O and C again. Since O is a vary distance, the direction of BO is particularly the same as AO, but the find the line of side of C is shifted from the original line of side by an angle theta is equals to 40. Theta is known as the parallax. Estimate the distance of tower C from his original position. Okay, in the parallax method, we have a 100. We have parallax angle. Angle is equals to theta is equals to 40. So from figure 2.3, see this is the figure. Okay, see this is the figure. It is when we have start here, c is equals to ab is equals to ac tan theta. Okay, now tan theta is equals to suppose this is our theta, also this is our theta, so tan theta is equals to saba bhagya pava. Okay, opposite side one. So we will discussing about that the AB here, see it is the nearest of that this our AB divided by the opposite sides divided by the nearest side AB upon AC. So it will give us that the tan theta. See here the AC is equals to AB tan theta, but here AB distance between the two A and the B value is 100 meter. So AB divided by the tan 40. See here angle between the C and A is that the 40 degree. So the divided by the tan 40. Now the value of 1040 it will gives us that the 0.839. First of all the food we will it will gives us that the 100 meter divided by the 0.839. The value of 1040 it will gives us that the 0.839. So it is C is equals to our AC is equals to 119 meter. Okay, our AC is equals to 119 meter. See the another example, example 2.3. The moon is observed from the two diametrically opposite point A and B on Earth. The angle theta subtended at the moon by the two direction of observation is 1 degree 54 minute. Given the diameter of Earth to be about 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Compute the distance of moon from the earth. We need to determine in this example you see that the we have a value of the given the diameter of the earth to be about 1.26 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Compute the distance of the moon from the earth. We need to determine the distance from the earth. So see here the theta is equals to 1 degree 54 minute. Okay, theta is equals to 1 degree and the 54 minute. So 1 degree in the previous example you saw that the see here in the previous example we saw the value of 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. See here this is 1 degree is equals to 16 minute. Okay, so in this example we are discussing about that theta 1 degree is equals to 60 minute and also we have 54 minute. So 60 plus 54 it will gives us the 114 minute. Okay, and we need to convert into second. Okay, if we need to convert in the second, so we need to multiply the 60. So here we are multiplying by the 60. It will gives us the one of the values of the second, how much second in the 114 minute, how much seconds. So how much there are the seconds we need to convert in the radian. So 1 second value of 1 second it is equals to 4.85 to 10 raised to minus 6. So we are multiplying both the things. See 114 into 16 seconds. Okay, so 6 into 16 it will be 1 second it is equals to 4.85 to 10 raised to minus 6 radian. Okay, so but here see the value of B. Okay, the basis value of basis, the two different observation line, it have values, it is equals to b is equals to ab 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter. Hence from the equation 2.1, in the previous lectures we will discussing about the parallax method. So by using this method, the large distance measurement, by using this equation we will get that the value of d is equals to small b upon theta. Here b is equals to 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter divided by the theta. The value of theta is equals to, see here, the value of radian, in the radian we have a value 3.32 into 10 raised to minus 2 radian. So this will give us the value of d, it is equals to 1.276 to 1.276 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 divided by the 3.32 into 10 raised to minus 2. It will give us the value, if you are determining this value, it will be gives us the 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Okay, this is the distance between, this is the distance between what we need to compute the distance of the moon from the earth. This is the distance between the moon from the earth. It will, this much distance are there between these two planet, sorry, this earth and the moon. Okay, now the another our example is that the sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. Okay, 1920 seconds. The distance of d from the sun from the earth is 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. What is the diameter of sun? So we need to diameter of the sun. So in this, see here, the sun's angular diameter alpha is equals to 1920 seconds. So 1920 seconds multiplied by the 4.85 10 raised to minus 6. Here the 4.85 10 raised to minus 6, it is the value of for the 1 second value in the 1 second, it is equals to 4.85 10 raised to minus 6 radian. So it will be gives the 9.31. If we are multiplying the both the things, we will get that the 9.31 into 10 raised to minus 3 radian. So now we need to determine the sun's diameter. D is equals to alpha into d. So see here, this is the value of the alpha in now alpha it is equals to 9.31 into 10 raised to minus 3, and we have already the value of d, it is equals to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. So here multiplying both these things, it is 9.31 multiplied by 1.496, we will get that 1.30 1.39 into 10 raised to minus 9. So see here, it will be gives us that the 1.39 into 10 raised to 9 meter. This is the value of the sun's diameter. Okay, in the, see example number 2.5, if the size of nucleus in the range of 10 raised to minus 15 to 10 raised to minus 14 meter is scaled up to the tip of a sharp spin, what are roughly is the size of an atom? Assume tip of the pin to be in a range of 10 raised to minus 5 to 10 raised to minus 4 meter. See answer of it is the theoretical answer. See here, the size of nucleus is in the range of 10 raised to minus 15 meter to 10 raised to minus 14 meter. The tip of a sharp spin is taken to be in the range of 10 raised to minus 5 meter and 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Thus, we have scaling up by the factor of 10 raised to 10, and the roughly of the size 10 raised to minus 10 meter will be scaled up to a size of 1 meter. Thus, the nucleus in an atom is as small as the tip of sharp pin placed at the center of a sharper or of a radius about a meter long. Okay, this is the theoretical answer. So Rehan, any kind of explanation? After that I will be explaining on the topic. Okay, so if you have any kind of queries, if you have any kind of problems, then comment in the comment box. Okay, if you like this video, please like. Okay, thank you so much.